In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert an Excel file into a PDF quickly and easily. One of the fastest ways to do this is by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+P. This opens the print preview area where you can select Microsoft Print to PDF as your printer. From here, you can choose whether to print the active sheet, the entire workbook, or a specific range of cells, and then save it as a PDF. Another method is to use the export feature in Excel. Click File to open the Backstage view, then select Export. Here, you'll see the option to create PDF document. Click it, give your PDF a name, choose where to save it, and then click Publish. This method works well if you want a straightforward export without going through the print preview. You can also use the Save As feature to convert your Excel file. Go to File, then Save As, and in the dialog box, choose a location to save the file. Below the file name, there's a drop-down menu where you can select PDF as the file type. Once selected, click Save, and your Excel data will be converted into a PDF file that's ready to share or print. Using any of these methods makes it simple to turn your Excel workbooks into professional-looking PDFs in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other Excel tutorials for more quick tips.